Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a bulb in a Samsung oven. And in particular, a Samsung FQ315T003. The moment you look into the oven, you don't see a light. But it seems to be in the back right here. I don't know if it's very clear to see. There's the lamp. But you can't just get to that. That whole thing has to come off. So you can see here on the side, you see the screw holes. I don't have any screws in it. It may well be that you have screws. If you remove them, you can pull the oven out. You can go through the bottom bar. If you have a little more hold on, and then you could pull it out. He's already getting ahead of that. Mind you, it is something like 38 kilos. So make sure you don't do it alone, and it might be useful to make some kind of construction for it to put it on. This is my construction of 2 tables with an old top, so that the top of the table is not damaged. The light that goes in is a G9. Note that it is an overlight. It must be able to withstand 300 degrees. Before you start, make sure you disconnect the power from the oven. The back of the oven is secured with 3 screws. The lamp is located on the left behind the aluminum housing, and it is fixed with 1 screw. When you have removed the screw, you can click the house out. You can then remove the lamp and replace it with the new lamp. When the light is in the house can click back into the back of the oven. Oh, almost forgot. The house still needs to be secured with a screw. And now that the screw is in the aluminum housing, the back plate can be used again. When the back is screwed on, the plug can be put back in or the power can be switched on, so we can test if the light is working. The lamp works. Nice. Then it can be placed back. Thanks for watching this video. It works for me, and I'd love to hear in the comments if it worked for you too. Bye.